What's up, everybody? So I wanted to give you an overview, quick video on how to start a digital agency, building websites and funnels for people. I'm going to show you how you can build your first funnel, but first website very easily, even if you have no experience. So this is for beginners if you know how to use a computer. And so I'm going to show you what you can do, how you can sell to your clients. If you don't have any clients, how you can position yourself to offer websites and funnels and landing pages to your clients to sell if you're looking at starting a digital marketing agency. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to be doing is using this service here. You can click in below. There's a link in the description below how you can use this. There's other services out there that you can use as well. The key is you don't want to have to build from scratch. You want to use templates, especially if you're new, you're a beginner. You want to use templates, something easy that you can use, something that you can already have pre-built, and all you have to do is change out the logos, put in some different copy points and things like that. So what you don't want to do is try to, build from scratch in HTML or some other service like that if you don't have any experience. So this is about easy way to get a client, easy way to build a website and a landing page. So what we're going to do first here is look at our funnels. So in this service that I'm using here, again, there's a description below if you want to check it out. But maybe you have another service. They're probably going to have templates and things too. So just whichever service you're using, look for the template. There are good looking templates that are already pre-built. So you just want to use one of those. So click on funnels here. And let's just say we want to pick a new funnel. We're going to go to the template library. And now what we're going to do is look for a specific niche over here on the left side. So whatever your niche is, let's say it's real estate. You want to build a real estate funnel, or maybe it's beauty and fashion. Maybe it's automotive service, or maybe you're selling to an automotive dealer. Maybe it's medical related, chiropractors or dentists or something like that. So what you'll do is you'll pick one of these, then you're going to come in here and find a template that you like. Okay, let's just look for one here that looks good. Let's see, here's one, maybe physical therapy. And then just click this little eye, it's going to pop up. You're going to see what it could look like. See, there's already some images in there. This is the template that you can use. So let's use this one. I like this one. Refresh your page or just click off over here and you're going to see there's that chiropractic template that I just chose. What I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to edit this template. So here under home, it's the name of the page, it says edit. I'm going to click edit. You're going to see it's a drag and drop builder. If you've ever used other services, it's very similar. Let's say we want to replace our logo. You just click here, click the logo, and you would just click to upload the logo. And let's just say I chose that logo, which is a pretty ugly logo. But anyway, let's just say I picked that one. And then what you want to do here is you'll see these menu items here. If you'll scroll up on the left side. So on the left side over here is everything, all of your actions, what you're going to be doing and that kind of thing. So you see here the menu items. You've got about us, service, pricing, team, contact. You can delete those. You can keep all those. You can add additional items. You can hide these, kind of make these go underneath. Let's say we want pricing under service. Just drag to the left a little bit here. And you'll see now that it's when you mouse over service, pricing pops up there. And so to edit those, just click the little pencil. And right now it's not going anywhere because we don't have a domain tied to it. But let's just say you could put the domain there. You could also tell it to go to a different step if you wanted a different page for service. And then I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So there you go. So there's the menu. And then here, let's just say you don't like this photo here. You want to say, oh, I don't know, it looks a little weird. I'm going to change that image. Just click this image over here. So on the left side in this green box. So you have the green box, you have a blue box, and then you have a pink and orange. That's kind of how the structure is. So in the green box, this is kind of your background. Click the green box area. You can hit settings here, or you can just scroll to the left. Click this. So in here, you've got some pre-images that I went ahead and put in here. I'm just playing around. But up here at the top, you can click and you can hit different backgrounds here. Unsplash, you can say pretty house, let's say. It's going to pull up everything that's on Unsplash. These are free images. You may you can use them until you can temporarily get some of your other images. You can also check on Pixabay, but we're looking, I think this is a Cairo that we're in, to see if there's any there. All right, there's one. Let's use this image right here. I'm going to just double click that, and now it's replaced that. Did you notice that? And now the image there. So what we want to change is we want to change this wording. We don't like this word. Get an adjustment. Maybe that's too big. So we want to scroll up here on the left side. See where it says desktop font? Scroll it down. Get a, how about chiropractic? Chiropractic adjustment. If you don't like that font, that's fine. Just, you can change content font. I kind of like that. Or you can choose custom font and go in here and select from different fonts that are available to you. I like that one. Okay, so we're going to say register or make an appointment. Today for a free consultation. You can delete these little boxes. Let's just say I don't like that. Click below and just hit the little delete button. And now the little button there says make an appointment. What I want to do, so scroll over here down on the left side. You can have it go to a next step, which right now we've got it go into an appointment step, or you could have it go to a pop-up. You can have the pop-up calendar right there, but we'll just leave it like that. And then just go through and change out the images, change out the various different text and copy. And if you're not sure how to do it, just click in it. It's pretty easy. So here, let's just say you want to change the location. You can click on the box. It's just like out of Google, and put Madison Square Garden right there. Choose Madison Square Garden. All right. And hit save. All right. Let's change the address and then change your logo. Now, one quick tip here is at the top, what you want to do is save this menu. And that way you won't have to recreate it. It'll be saved in all of your headers. And you save it as a template. So we want to click Save Section, Global Section, Header, hit Save Section. Now, if you notice, it's purple instead of green. And when you go to build out the next page, you just click that, insert that one header there, and it'll be the same every time you change it. Okay, there's some other things you can play with. The mobile version. See what the mobile version looks like. So that looks a little weird, right? So we could play with that and kind of dial that in. Click on the text here, bring that down. Let's just say get a chiropractic adjustment. That looks better. And now you can see the mobile. Now, one thing you could do if you say, well, I like that photo for the desktop, but I don't for the mobile, then what you could do is just duplicate this, just mouse over these two little letters, hit clone. And then here, click on advanced and hide it from the desktop, hide it from the mobile, click the mobile button. And now you should just see one, which we do. Click this one and do the same thing, but click the other side. Now you can make this smaller. Change the padding. There we go. So from mobile. That's the mobile version. So you've got a desktop version. And I would build in the mobile version because that's what most people are going to be on. And then you can see how it looks on desktop. But that's how you work that around. Then you want to just check your settings here. Click the SEO metadata. Chiropractic of Madison Square Garden. Put a little description there. Type it in here or paste it. And then put their logo there. Same as you would. That's for the SEO. And then just hit update metadata. Click save. And there is your first page that you just created. Pretty easy. If you wanted a pop-up there, just click the pop-up. Right now there's nothing there, but we could add something. We could say, get this special offer. And we could put an image there. We could put, remember to change the image, just scroll down on the left here and pick that little square. Let's just say it's this. Get special offer. And then we want to put button maybe. The button is claim this offer. Maybe you have a little disclaimer there. And then maybe you want this to pop up when they leave. So what you can do is at the top here, there's a little blue box there. It'll pop up automatically the way we have it set up right now. So show pop up on exit right here. So if you don't want that, you can turn it off. But I want that. Let's see what our page looks like. Don't forget to hit save. So let's hit the preview button. Okay. Now, when I mouse up, it should pull up the window. There it is. There's our little claim offer. Right now, it's not going anywhere because I don't have a form there. But what you could do is make that go back to a form. You can make that go to an appointment. Now, we've hit saved. We're going to hit the back button. And then what's going to show is I'm going to just look at the appointment page. So here's your funnel steps. Click appointment, edit. All right, there's that weird photo again. So I'm probably changing that one. And let's just use the same one that we used a minute ago. Let's just stick to chiropractic. All right, let's look at maybe this one right here. All right, so there you go. Then you change the logo, click the logo here. It's the same way you change that photo. Now, if you notice, right here, it says you do not have any calendars yet. So what we can do is click here. Now we have a calendar. So you'd need to set the calendar up in another window. But now when they schedule an appointment, let's hit save here. Click preview. And now it's looking at the calendar. Let's just say we want to select that. And there you go. When they click book appointment, we'd set that up to have it go and send them a text, send a notification to the client. And now you've got appointment reminders. They've got an awesome website. Use one of these templates. So we just looked at the funnel template. But what I want to show you is the website template as well. If you click here, let's say we want to stick to that chiropractic deal. Here's one, chiropractic health. There it is. Click it. And now you see the 3 pages. It's still a little different format. It's probably going to have a little more going on in the page, but it's the same setup, okay? Same deal. So let's just say you like that. Click edit page. And then what you would do is do the same thing here. Change the logo, the menu. It's the exact same setup. So there you go. That's how you set up if you're new and you want to kind of get in the game with websites and things like that. It's a good looking website, actually. Go into the system now. If you need a system below, you can try it out. There's a 14-day trial. You can try it out. Pick, if you want to keep it, there's a plan after that. But the idea is that you can go in there and create a business, an agency, digital marketing agency, go in there and create websites and funnels and landing pages. Or maybe you just offer marketing services, but you need, people are asking you about websites. This will let you go in and build out websites for your clients. Hope that helps. I hope that's a service that you would be beneficial to you and that you can offer to your clients. All right. Thanks for watching the video.